What's up, YouTube? It's your boy J Real Shorty, aka J Dub in the club with us another. You already know when I'm on, cuz this is chapter 29. I'm about to unpack this iPhone I just got in the mail. This is the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So let's go ahead and get into it. There you go. This side, get right into it. As you can see it right there. All this stuff up there. Let me open this right here too. That's the little box that came in. As you can see, brand new. Turn it on so let's see. Come on. Brand new out the box. As you can see, you can tell that's the C-type. See, brand new. As y'all can see, it's unpacked. I ain't gonna hold it all up, take out too much time. Your boy J Real Shorty, and I'm out.